Okay, so it's confirmed, like, today is a terrible makeup day. I'm so dumb. Nothing is working out today. Hey guys, what's up? Today we are doing a first impressions on some MAXX products, and it's like 5 products, but it's exciting. Okay, so let me go over what I got first. I got the Anastasia Glow Kit, and then I got some Lily lashes. These come in with the Miamis and the I don't know. And then we got the Real Techniques beauty sponge. I've always wanted to try this, but I haven't because I was like, this is a weird shape, like it's not gonna work. And then we got a mini lipstick from Too Faced. This is in the shade Naked Dolly. Okay, and then the last thing is the Marc Jacobs Genius Gel Foundation. This is in the shade 44 Golden Medium, so hopefully it's my shade. I saw it's Judy Time tried this color on and it worked out on her, so I was like, maybe it'll work out on me. But yeah, those are all the products. It's only like 5 things, but I'm hyped. So now let's go in. So I already primed, so of course we're gonna go in with this foundation, and then we're gonna go in with the Real Technique sponge. But we finna open this baby up. I hope this works. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna cry. They don't sell this anymore at Sephora. I checked because I was like, I want to know the real price, but they don't sell it, so I never found out. So I'm just gonna pump this on the back of my hand and then put it all over my face. I did like 2 or 3 pumps. I didn't even count. I should have counted. This look a little tan right now. I'm honestly nervous, but just feeling the foundation, it feels pretty light. And then we're gonna use this guy. Let me just blend this out. I'm also using a new sponge, and this is probably a bad idea, but I mean, okay, so obviously I'm gonna need more foundation. Yeah, just a little tan. I like the way it feels so far. Like, it feels so light. Oh, and it also has like a fragrance. It's kind of like perfumey. It smells expensive. Yeah, I don't think I'm really liking this sponge. It's like, it's so large at one end and then it's so small at the other end. So do I recommend this? Probably not. Dang, this does not match my neck. Dang, I really messed up on this one. This will be my summer shade, but it's not clinging onto my nose the way I want it to. I don't know. Let me just add some more onto my neck. But I'm really liking this foundation, other than it was like a little bit darker than what I wanted it to be. But I blended it down my neck, so hopefully it looks all right. Very much buildable coverage, but I had to do a lot of pumps just to get this coverage, and I don't even think this is full coverage. Like, do you guys see that? It's not the Maybelline Matte Poreless, that's for sure. I did the foundation. Now I'm just gonna do my regular stuff, and then we're gonna put the highlighter, the lipstick, and the lashes. Be right back. If my bronzer look bad right now, I'm so sorry. Today is not a good day. Dang, be looking like a straight line. What the heck? Okay, so it's confirmed, like, today is a terrible makeup day. But yeah, we're gonna go in with some lashes. I'm gonna go with the first ones because they look the cutest to me. I'm pretty sure these are the Miamis, and this one is Luxe. I'm gonna put them on. Jeez Louise, come out. Ooh, I like these applicators though. I hope they work. I've never used big ones like these. Nothing is working out today. Damn, I be dumb. I'm so dumb. I'm grabbing it like this, and we gotta wait a little bit before we put it on. And I know my eyebrows probably look bad right now, especially my left eyebrow. It would not cooperate. Freaking balls. Hold on, let me use mine. There we go. Why the inner corner look wonky though? Do y'all see that? I mean, I like the lashes, but what's up with this inner corner for real? Lashes, no lashes. What happened to my wing? It's gone. I like this lash, but I'm probably gonna have to cut it a little bit more in the future because it's hitting my inner corner. I F's with these lashes, but do they F's with me? But anyway, we finna go in with some highlighter. I'm gonna take off this plastic. I don't know what color we should go in with. I'm just gonna use white sand. I'm gonna go safe because I don't know what color would look best. Oh, in the camera it's beaming. In person I'm like, where is it at? I mean, it's there. It's like subtle for me, but yo, I really like this highlighter. I just want to keep going in. Oh. You see that nose highlight? Okay, it's emphasizing. Okay, so the last thing is the Too Faced lipstick. Dang, where you at? Like, what is this? This is like so sheer. This pink is like super Barbie pink, and the formula is like so slippery, so oily. So I don't know, I probably will not wear this like by itself. I would probably have to pair with a lip liner. The rundown is I like the foundation, I don't like the color, and then I really like the highlighter. Like, do you see that? So yeah, highlighter, yes. Lashes, yes. There was like some complications with it. We did the lipstick. I do not like the lipstick. And the Real Techniques beauty sponge that looks like a diamond, that's a nada for me. It's not realistic. It's not real. Like Real Techniques, it's not realistic. But the one good thing I found about it is that these sides are so like straight that you can get perfectly into your nose. So I'll probably use this for like baking or something. But yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.